Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert books symbol in world. So this is very easy to insert. So first you need to just click on insert and this last option symbol, so click on it and more symbols. So this type of screen will be open. So you need to font select this one. Just click on this drop down and select it, and then you can type this character code. So character code is 1F4DA. So just type this character code and click on insert. You show name also. Now close it. So very easily you can insert. If you need to change the color, so just select it and this font color. So choose any color which you like. And next way to change the color, select it and click on home and font color. Click on this drop down and select it. So very easily you can insert books symbol in world. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.